Hello traders, how is everyone doing? How was the day today? So today is 24th of September 2024, and in this video we are going to take a look at what were the different setups that were presented in the market and how we traded that. If you're liking the contents of these videos, please like, share, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and click on the notification icon. So when I was looking at the market in the morning, we had this strong leg down and then we had this leg up, right? But I was thinking that since we had this strong leg to the downside, there is a big possibility that we will have another leg down again. So if you see what happened here, after this drop, we had a first leg up and then we had a two-legged pullback. Now this two-legged pullback, each of these legs were again divided into two smaller legs, right? And then we had this corresponding second leg to the upside. Now, right after that, this was the 925 candle. It trapped the bulls here and posted a very solid, strong bear bar right at the high of yesterday, right? Now, taking a look at this is a two-bar reversal setup right at resistance, right? This is the resistance area at that point of time. So right at resistance, we got a two-bar reversal. I actually shorted right at the opening tick. Now, let us move on to the RTH chart. Now, if you look at this, once we shorted the open, we had two consecutive bearish candles with one of them closing on their lows. I kept my stop loss right above this area at 5782, which was around the midpoint of bar 1. And I let this run, and I was actually counting from the low of bar 2. I was trying to see if we could get 10 points from here. So 5777 to 5767. This was the first exit that we had. Then we held on to the runner. And once we came down to this 55 line, to this 55 area, this was a very climactic bar. And as soon as we came inside this box, I came out somewhere around 55 or 54. Right after that, if you see, this was the first reversal attempt. Of course, that failed and we came back down. And then we had another leg to the downside. When this was coming down, we actually scalped 5 points to the downside, looking at this double top that we had. And then we had this particular candle number 15, which actually was the second entry long that we had. It was a pretty strong candle. And along with that, if you see, it also broke out of this particular trend line that we were in. We went long at bar number 15 here, and then I was again looking at the 10 points from this particular entry, and that came at 7.1. So we took some profit at 7.1, and then I held on to the other one. I was thinking that we could get that 20 points above this. However, we got this super climactic bar again, and when this bar ended, I came out. Now the reason for me to come out was there was resistance right here, and this was a climactic bar late in the trend, and so I was not expecting any follow through after this, and that is exactly what happened. Now, one more reason, if you see why I came out of this particular trade, was this was the first leg, and then we had an inside bar, which was the end of this leg, and then we moved up again. This was the second leg up, this was the pullback, and then we had the third leg up again, and that was the climactic bars. So we did have three pushes to the upside, which created the three push wedge, and then it was a climactic bar, as a result of which it was a very good exit point here. And after that, the market went into a tight trading range. However, if you see, this was the wedge structure here, and the wedge structure got broken. And after this new high that we got with candle number 50, this was the first reversal attempt, this was the second reversal attempt, this was the third reversal attempt, this was the fourth reversal attempt. So if you see this particular bar, which broke down this particular wedge, came and sat right at the bottom of the fourth reversal attempt. It was not even a tick below the fourth reversal attempt. I thought that this may be the final flag, and I entered the long here at 8.1. I was expecting to see 9.1, but with this TTR, I came out at 85. So at this point of time, the market is doing a TTR. It did come below the EMA, but the bulls did pick it up again. It is highly possible that before the end of the day, we will find ourselves somewhere in this 9.1 area once again. So those are the different trades that we took during the day. All these trades, the reasons for taking the trade, what will be the stop loss, what will be the profit target, all of these were in detail mentioned in the Discord server. So if you want to join the free Discord server, to link to that is given in the description below. Along with that, you will also find the link to our Facebook page, and you're very welcome to join there. To summarize, we shorted the open. Our first exit was at 10 points and our second exit was around the 54 area right here. We scalped 5-6 points in these three candles, and then this particular candle number 15, came out of this particular trend line. It was also the second entry long. We went long here. First exit was again in the 71 area, and then we exited at the top of this climactic bar. And after that, we went long at 5781 again, and we came out in the 8586 area. So those were the 4 trades that we took today. I will be back sometime in the evening with the expectations of for tomorrow and what are the support and resistance levels we have. This is where I will end this particular video, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Have a great rest of the afternoon, guys. Bye.